welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. If you're new, I upload new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So today I'm going to be sharing all of my Apple products, talking about what I use them for and how I use them to stay productive. Disclaimer, this video is not me trying to brag about all of my products and all of these expensive things. I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys. Half of these products, or most of them, I paid for using a credit card or monthly payments. So this is in no way me trying to brag about all of these expensive electronics. So here are all of my Apple products and how I use them on a daily basis. Okay, so the first one is the one that I use most often is my iPhone. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the color gold, 64 gigabytes of storage. So I actually do the iPhone upgrade program, meaning that I pay monthly for my iPhone, and then every year I have the option to just trade it in for the new phone. I've done that for the past two phones. So I had the iPhone XS and then I have this one. So I've been doing the program for a little over a year, almost 2 years, and this is an amazing phone. I personally like the Max because it's just so much bigger. I thought that it would be too big, but it still fits in my pocket, in my purse, in my hand pretty fine. And so iPhone is self-explanatory. I use this every single day. Usually the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is just look at my phone, check my notifications, check my YouTube comments, all that stuff, and also I'll read my emails, messages, all of that stuff. So this is my iPhone that I use every single day. I love this phone because you can use a wireless charging pad and it's just a super great phone. Also, these new ones come with the USB-C charger and it's super fast to charge your phone. So I don't remember exactly what year or how old I was, but sometime in high school, maybe like junior year, something like that, I got my first iPhone. I think it was like an iPhone 3GS, maybe an iPhone 4, something like that. And ever since then, I've only had iPhones. I know that some people prefer Androids or different things like that, but for me, iPhone is definitely the one that I'm always going to stick with. And you'll see that all these other products, it just connects so great. Once you get stuck in the Apple ecosystem, you will not want to change because everything just interconnects and makes your life so simple and organized. So next up is my Apple Watch. I remember when my older brother got an Apple Watch, I thought it was the dumbest thing ever. Like, who needs a smartwatch? You can just pick up your iPhone. Why do you need to do stuff on your watch? But guys, ever since I got an Apple Watch, it is amazing and I cannot live without it. The first thing I do every single morning when I wake up is put on my Apple Watch. It can track your fitness goals, how many hours you stand every day, exercise minutes, calories burned. Guys, if you have an Apple Watch, you know how crucial it is to get those rings closed. You can check your heart rate, check the weather, see your text messages, your emails. And so basically this watch kind of just streamlines everything from my phone. And so if I'm not by my phone or doing something else, I might just quickly glance at my watch, read a message, or see what I need to address. If I need to go pick up my phone, if somebody is calling me and my phone's not by me, I can see it on my watch and know whether I want to answer or not, and if I need to go get my phone. Overall, it kind of just makes everything a lot easier, but the health and fitness aspect is really why I love to do it. I really try to close my rings as much as possible. It's also pretty handy just for doing quick things, like if I need to check the date or the weather, just something really quick and easy. Instead of picking up my phone and unlocking it and clicking on the app and all that stuff, I can just quickly see all of my notifications right here. So this watch that I have is the Apple Watch Series 3. My brother had this one, and then once he upgraded to the Apple Watch 4, he gave me this one, so I did not pay anything for it. It was gifted to me from my brother. This one is waterproof. Guys, when I first got this Apple Watch, I literally never took it off. I would sleep in it and shower in it and just do everything in it. Would not recommend taking a shower with it, but definitely make sure that you clean it every now and then. So this one is waterproof, so if you're sweating, want to do a swim workout, or just anything like that, it's definitely super durable. So the Apple Watch basically is mostly used for me for fitness and health, and also just to streamline all of my iPhone notifications. Next are my AirPods. I got these as a graduation gift from college, so I did not pay anything for these. These are the first generation AirPods and I love these so much. I used to have the big giant over-the-ear Beats headphones, and those had way better, I would say, like volume and sound, but these are just so portable, and I use these for the gym, to edit, to talk on the phone sometimes. These are just super cute and portable. I do at some point want to upgrade to the AirPods Pro just because I really want that aspect to be able to have the transparency mode, but these are so super cute and the battery lasts a long time. I've never had these AirPods die on me while I'm using them. I charge them every single night. I just have a charging stand that I put my phone, my watch, these AirPods on. So these are great headphones, and they easily connect to all of my different Apple products. So next is my MacBook. This is the 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro, and the specs I got are the 10th gen i5 processor, 16 gigabytes of memory, and 512 gigabytes of storage. So this is my main machine for all things YouTube. I edit videos on here, do my thumbnails, edit photos, and if I'm really actually like replying to emails where I have to type a lot of stuff out, I prefer doing it on my laptop instead of my cell phone. This is my daily main thing that I use for pretty much everything. Also for work, I'm going to be a teacher soon and do plan on getting a lot of use out of this, and so everything just connects so easily. This one does have the touch bar and fingerprint ID reader, but my Apple Watch also automatically unlocks this, so every time I open it, if my watch is on my wrist, the laptop automatically opens. So I have so many videos about this MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, MacBooks in general, so if you do have questions about which one you should buy, I'll link all my videos down below. But if you have a YouTube channel and you want to edit videos, I strongly suggest getting the Pro. This thing is amazing. It's so great. The touch bar is actually super handy. I'll link down below my video about my experience if you guys want to know some more info about this one. And lastly, I have my iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. So let me show you guys what I typically do with my iPad while I'm filming. So as you guys can see right here, I use my iPad as a way to kind of have like my camera right here. And so on my iPad, I can see the exact same view from my camera. I can adjust the lighting. I can adjust all the different things from my iPad right here. I used to set up like my huge TV to do all that, but it was just too much work. And so I can literally just have my camera right here in the palm of my hands and not have to get up and adjust stuff there. I mainly use this iPad for digital planning purposes, so my really strong reason for getting this iPad was because I really wanted to start getting more organized, planning out my videos, my daily routines, my to-do lists and stuff like that. And so I have the GoodNotes 5 app, and I do a lot of digital planning. I use this every single day while I'm just doing tasks around the house. I'll just have like Netflix or YouTube playing. I check lots of my notifications on there if I don't want to look at my tiny phone screen. Pretty much this is just like mostly a giant phone and a portable digital planner for me. It's so handy, and also I've been getting into things like Procreate, trying to play around with making art and stuff like that, and so I really do love this iPad so much. I've never owned an iPad, and I recently bought this. This is the 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch. Going to be straight up honest with you guys, I put this on a credit card because this is a very expensive iPad, but it definitely was a great decision for me. Now my iPad is all paid off, but initially I did have to put it on a credit card. So no, I'm not rich, but I kind of have been just investing more into myself and into my channel. As my channel is growing, there's just things that need to grow with it. So, oh yeah, I also have the Apple Pencil too, and so I use the pencil like a regular pencil whenever I'm planning and drawing and writing and stuff like that. It's actually super nice to have the Apple Pencil. I thought it would feel weird to be writing on the screen, but it actually feels pretty normal with my screen protector on. So those are all of my Apple products. I use all of them every single day, and the best part is the Apple ecosystem. So the Apple ecosystem is basically just everything is connected. My photos are all the same, my apps, everything is connected to each other, and it's just really nice to be able to quickly like airdrop a file to my iPad or to my laptop or vice versa. And so having all the things from Apple just really makes it all connect seamlessly. I don't know how to explain it, but it just makes my life so much more organized. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you guys want to check out more videos about tech and Apple products, I'll link my playlist down below. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye y'all.